wanted some nighttime action, you got it. Dark, dark, dark. Look at that light. Wow. You guys wanted a shot of it in the dark. Well, it is snowing, and I figured to top it all off we would do this video. That light is blinding when it shoots right at us. Crazy. What a machine. I had to turn the light up to full here because there's only so long I can watch a truck in the dark. Woohoo! You see my puppy? Get going! She doesn't mind that it's only 30 degrees Fahrenheit out right now. Oh, endo! Totally end over end and I missed it. Everybody wondered about this breaking off the roof. Maybe one day. I bolted it right into the cage though. Come on, girl. I know you want to chase it. Don't get run over by it. I got my TMR performance engine on the way. I gotta say, this one has been breaking in so nicely. Truly a winter wonderland right now. Yeah, baby. People are waiting for me to take out the Traxxas Max. Me too. But it is way too cold, it would snap. Yeah. Those snow drifts are amazing. Now the cutoff button is right on the radio. Everything's good. Maybe the choke moved on me. Did it? It did not. Let me see here. Come on, baby. Did I switch it off? No, it says good to go. Come on. I must have put the choke on. Okay, there. I know exactly what happened. It is so cold out that the exhaust melted snow, and I bet you my throttle cable is totally stuck open. Too funny. That's how you know it is cold outside, guys. Whew! You can see my breath today. Oh, I'm surprised because basically this truck takes the breath away. So there you go, guys. It is freezing outside. I'm going to take the Primal RC inside, warm it up after a night and a day of having some fun out here. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next episode of RC Adventures. Now get outside and enjoy RC. You know I always do.